In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste text styles in Figma, a quick design tip that can save you tons of time in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, knowing how to efficiently copy and apply text styles is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Figma, the collaborative interface design tool we all know and love. If you're not already familiar with it, Figma allows multiple people to design together in the same file at the same time, making it an excellent choice for team projects and solo ones alike. Once you're on Figma's website, make sure to log in. You should see the login option prominently displayed on the homepage. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken straight to your Figma homepage. This is where you'll find all your projects neatly organized and easily accessible. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is straightforward and free for basic use. After you've logged in, head over to your Figma home. From here, you want to navigate to the project you're working on. Just click on the Design tab to access your various designs and files. This is where the magic happens and where you'll be copying and pasting those text styles. Now click on the specific text element you wish to copy the style from. This is crucial because Figma allows you to either copy the entire text box or just its styling attributes. For replicating text styles, you'll want to focus on copying only the styles. With your text selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This will copy the style attributes of the selected text. You might think you're copying the actual text, but remember we're interested in the styling, the font, size, color, spacing, and any other elements that make it look the way it does. Once you've got the style copied, it's time to paste these attributes onto another text element. Navigate to the text box where you want these styles applied. Make sure this target text box is selected, as Figma needs to know where to paste the copied style attributes. Finally, press Ctrl+V. This action pastes the copied styling onto the selected text element. And just like that, you've transferred your text style, making your design cohesive and saving you from manually adjusting every text box. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily copy and paste text styles in Figma, streamlining your workflow and ensuring consistency across your designs. Practice this technique and you'll see just how much time it can save you. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.